While Roughneck 2-0 hunts down the brains of the Arachnid operation, you're headed after the muscle. Secure the AO by assisting troopers already on site. When you've got it all locked down, you're going on one more bug hunt. Find the Assassin's lair and stomp it. Sound crazy? Come on, you ape! You wanna live forever?
This is the day I kill that damn assassin!
And the Federation captures a brain.
It's revenge I'm here for.
Come on, Sammy. You gotta do your part. Hoorah! This station was researching something to do with the Assassin before they got overrun. Clear out the bugs and we'll get Psy-Corps in there to finish their work.
Nothing better than a little military intelligence, eh, Ors? Here, Deeds.
tight. We're flying Psycor back in.
Think they'll mind getting quizzed on their assassin bug research right away?
I think they'll be as happy as we are when it's out of the picture.
Requesting assistance! Please! We need help!
Come in, Trooper. What's going on?
Bugs are flooding out of the caves! Demolition Squad was supposed to seal the holes, but the bugs keep coming!
Hear that, Sammy? Find the satchel charges and stop the bugs.
Copy, Ort. I'm on my way.
Tunnels are all sealed? Good work. You must be right on top of Bug City.
Boy, smell that assassin! I'm coming for you, Bug!
Can you get to Whiskey Outpost? Viper Squad are on their way, and they could use your help securing it.
Whiskey Outpost, what's over there?
According to the intel, there was a brain bug there when General Owen died.
Brain bug, got it.
Once Whiskey's secure, Psy-Corps should be able to chase the thing through the tunnels. Be careful out there.
Just
Yeah, the sooner Roughneck 2-0 find the brain bugs, the better.
The sooner I find the assassin bug, the better.
Ethan, this one's for you.
Miss you, buddy.
Never solves anything.
Solar array to their comms. Damn bugs are keeping us busy, though.
We can do something about that.
Get over there and push some buttons, Sammy.
That's what I do, ma'am.
Hopper incoming!
Come on, you want some? I need to reload!
I can't
station. I think that's the Assassin's handiwork.
Means we're doing something right.
Be careful. Remember, that thing tore through a whole squad on its own.
Yeah, and now I'm gonna tear through it. I'm going in.
dead bug.
You ready?
I'm ready. Are you?
I was born ready! Say about revenge? Say it's a dish best served cold. I'm coming in red hot! many more, Trooper. Assassin, bagged and tagged.
You might want to see what's through here, ma'am.
You about to tell me you found a brain, Private?
Not exactly, ma'am. It's the cave behind us. You won't believe it.
What in the world?
Oh my god. More assassin bugs.
I can see that.
You killed them all. Roughneck 20. Brain bug. Destroy the nest.
Already on it.
Oh god! Oh god!
Keep your heads on straight, Troopers. Let's take these assassins down.
I'm coming to get you. I think we did it. Command saying something about a private sim? They successfully captured the brain bug. And with the assassin bugs destroyed, I think we've won.
Finally.
But nobody...
Operation triumphs.
What'd you think, Sammy? How'd real war compare to what you thought it'd be when you enlisted?
It was incredible. I'd do it all again tomorrow.
Here, on Earth, we will never forget the day the Federation claimed victory over the bugs in the Klendathu system. Visit the Klendathu Memorial and pay your respects to fallen citizens, to the brave soldiers of the Federation who gave their lives for the greater good. And while you're here, why not enjoy the newly constructed Klendathu Memorial Theme Park? What better way to remember those who've passed on than to fully enjoy the freedom their bravery won for you?
Would you like to know more?
Amazing work, player.
Outstanding job. Well, I'm sure you don't need me to tell you this again, but you're an incredible trooper. What's next for you at FedDev?
Well, while I may not be boots on the ground anymore, I am responsible for making sure that the next generation knows how important this war was. My current war is against disinformation and apathy. And as always, the Federation is winning.
Fantastic. Thanks again for your time, Major. I know you're a busy trooper.
Of course. It's an honor to be here. But I think you're forgetting to thank someone very important.
That's right. A special thanks goes out to you, player. For completing Ultimate Bug War. You've proven you've got what it takes. Your local recruitment office will reach out to you to make sure the adventure continues.
You may have finished the game, but the real fight is just beginning.
There's a war going on out there. And we need you to do your part. Come on, you eight! You wanna live forever?
Listen to your heart. Now stand with us and fight. Your sacrifice can make it right, and we will all be heroes in the end. Fed for the bed, alive or dead, trust a medic. You'll need them when time is pressing time. Squad, all for it! You all know it's your calling. In war, there's no rhythm, there's no rhyme. Fed for the bed! Alive or dead, they'll salute you. Stay strong, wear the badge and lift it high. Squad, take your form! All believe in the beautiful storm. Side by side, have the pride to live and